channel. So today we're gonna be vlogging for you guys.
And we're gonna be going to the beach today, so stay tuned. See the summer body.
Baby, you gonna show them your big belly?
Yeah. This gut.
So we're about to go get some food. We're not sure yet. Oh, what are we gonna go get?
I don't know. I think we probably might just go get the famous Popeye sandwich and then
Are we gonna bring you guys with us?
see you guys when we get there.
Okay guys, so we decided that we're gonna go get some Popeyes. Baby, what are you doing? And he's trying to Google the address to the beach. You found it?
I'm trying to find out where exactly.
Baby, we're trying to record too. Drive up.
What you said you want?
I want a chicken sandwich. I want tenders. I want beans and rice.
Damn.
I feel like eating all of those, but I'm not gonna eat all. So you wanna get the sandwich and give me a piece of it, and I give you some of my tenders.
Alright, we get 2 sandwiches and the tenders.
But I still want the beans and rice. So yeah, we getting our food. Baby, one of these days when we coming through the drive-thru, we should prank these people.
And do what?
I don't know, we're gonna figure it out.
Order one of everything on the menu.
No. How are we gonna eat that? That's too much food. So
I ain't eat all morning.
why is that?
It's because you be waking up way too late. You're supposed to wake up early and make me my breakfast.
Didn't you leave the house? Oh my god. I woke up, he wasn't even at home.
Yeah, I have to go do the thing she hates the most when I go through. I just gave up the secret.
What
I went and played football.
That's what you went and play. You told me you went and dropped.
I had to drop him over to the game, and then when I got there, I'm like, you know what? Let me just take a run. I just warned everybody not to hit my bad shoulder. And I was Gucci. I came back home. I ain't no pain, no none of that.
You seriously went to play football?
Yes, baby. See, I don't keep secrets from you.
When your back start hurting, again, I'm gonna tell you again. When your back, your foot, your shoulder, whatever start hurting, don't come to me. Because I told you from the beginning
This is why I
not
don't
to
be wanting
go
to tell her
and
when I go play sports, feel me? Because
kick any ball.
she's supposed to be supporting me, like, I bet.
I'm not gonna support you to something every time you go, you hurting some part of your body.
Still though, you're supposed to,
Oh,
you're supposed to be a good
baby,
wife.
my
Like, I
hands
bet,
are hurting.
baby, you came back home,
You'd
your
be
hands
like,
hurt.
baby, my shoulder hurting. Baby, my back is
Your
hurting.
hands hurt. You're supposed to
Baby,
come,
my
put some
phone.
ice on my back and all that. She don't.
Then for a
want
couple
to
of
do
days,
that.
he limping. Or
She
he
just
can't
wanna
move his
nag,
hand.
Like, what's up with that?
Because you know it's going. I don't know
Who's
if y'all.
right in this
I don't
situation?
know if
You know
y'all
what I mean?
understand me. Like,
She's supposed to put the ice pack on my back, give me a massage.
but didn't I put it on?
There you go, baby.
Didn't I put
but
it-
you're not
God.
supposed to keep nagging.
But-
All the nagging, you gotta. That's clip. Stop
my
all that
point
nagging.
is, I don't know if you guys feel me on this, but my point is, he knows that if he go, he's gonna get some part of his body is gonna come back with an injury. So why not just?
Not all the time. Like, how am I playing
Don't
soccer and not expect to get like a little knock here and there?
But you gotta remember, you're not in high school no more.
So?
Playing ball.
So
You're older now, and you haven't played ball for years. So look at you.
You make it seem like I'm about like 60 years old. I'm 25, 24.
Whatever. Oh, she take the money and didn't give us the food.
She took my card. She probably paying for everybody else's food in there. That's crazy. Little do she know, my card probably only got $30 on it, so she could go ahead.
That's a secret, guys. Cause you know you gotta give these people your card. You make sure you have just enough money in your checking, cause they can't get into your savings, which is smart.
They doing so long.
And a lot of people don't do that. Y'all should do that. Y'all know you're gonna spend this amount of money, and you gotta give your card.
Went to the Jamaican spot, baby.
That one that had the pasta and the wings with the mac and cheese and stuff. I think that's like too much to walk with, man. Those should be heavy. My braids are getting old.
Every week she gotta have a different hairstyle. She just got those braids talking about it's getting old.
Because look, it's rumpled already. It's fuzzy.
No, it's not.
And I did the muscle. Why
I
you?
let those rock out for like another 2 weeks.
I can't wear this for another 2 weeks. No.
No?
That's too much. I can't wear it for another 2 weeks. So this is what is gonna happen. We're gonna wait on our food, and when we get to the beach, we're gonna see you guys. But until then, we're gone.
Deuces.
Baby, so guys, I'm using my phone. We're about to, yes, we came, I don't know if you guys can hear us, but we came to a unknown beach. A location. It looks like we can go up that way.
Someone told us it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's like hidden away from everything, so.
But then we seen a lot of cars. It took us a while to find parking.
Yeah, they even got a secret, like a little bush you gotta walk through to get to this.
Like a little forest.
You gotta go through the woods, guys.
Baby, you're funny. I think we should have went on the other side. The other side is really nice. We've been on the other side of this beach before. Well, I shouldn't say it's the same because it's a different side. So y'all see where we gotta walk to go up? Feels like we're going on a little hike. Baby, what if they got like snakes in the back here? This is all.
It better be beautiful on the other side.
It better be be beautiful on the other side, because the struggle we've been through to come here. Do you want us to go like over there, like between the two colored umbrellas? I'm about to get a tan, y'all.
Woo! So guys,
We're done at the
we're
beach.
done at the beach. Did she
It
get a
was-
tan? How she look? She look crispy and nice.
Baby, where we gonna go? A way to come out. Are we gonna go this way?
You're gonna have to hop that little fence. You acting like you ain't from the hood. Girl, please.
Baby, do I look like I'm from the hood?
I don't know about the hood part, but you looking goddamn sexy right now. Look at her.
I think you could drive on the beach. They have like a little.
In that sexy bathing suit.
Oh, we didn't have to go over.
Anyways, guys, the day was a success. Had a lot of fun.
Yes, we did have a lot of fun.
I'm drained.
Yeah, we tired. And we got more
Woo.
stuff to do today. We got
I'm
more
as dark
things
as a
to do.
charcoal.
So
That's how I like it.
we're
though.
gonna end this vlog like right here,
Right now.
right now. So if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to
Like, comment, share, and
subscribe.
subscribe.
Also follow us on our social media. They will be down below.
Yeah,
And turn
somewhere,
your post
somewhere.
notification on. So you get a notification each time we post.
Oh,
But until then,
deuces.